Okay, so hello guys. Today's topic is how to do market research for your startup using AI. So you are running a startup. You have the idea and you want to start a startup on that idea. So you have to do the market research first. So how AI can help you in that market research, so that you can see your customer base and your actual problem, and there are already solution in the market or not. So many things are there. So first is market research. So under we have to understand market research. So who your customer is, who are the customers you are going to serve, and what problems they have, actual problem, and how they solve it today, your competitions, and if they will pay. If they are willing to pay only, then you have to do the startup in that field. Okay, so AI makes faster and cheaper, not automatic. So AI is useful in market research. Why? Okay, so because it reads large data fast. There is many more data, much data is available on the internet, or already feed it in the AI. So it can read all the data and analyze it properly and summarize patterns, generates insights, and save your time, actual time. Okay, so what AI support in thinking, it does not replace it, but you have to go to the market, actual market, your actual customers, and you have to talk with them. Okay, so it supports thinking. It can help you in critical thinking, but it does not replace everything. Okay, so step one is define the problem clearly. AI, because AI wants clarity, AI wants a good prompt. Okay, so before AI, you should have the clarity. Okay, so who is your user, actual user? So what problems are you solving, in what situation? So for example, freelancers struggle to manage invoices. So now you are solving that problem, and you have to talk with the freelancers as well. But how AI can help you in that? So bad input is equal to bad output. Step 2, use AI to understand the user. What to ask? User pain points. So you are solving a particular problem. In that, what is the pain points from the user? Daily workflow, frustrations, goals, etc. So act as a freelancer, list out 10 problems faced in invoicing. So you can check the top problems. So the purpose: build user persona, understanding emotions. Okay, now third is market size, demand, rough estimation. You get the rough estimation. Okay, so AI can help estimate how many people face this problem. Okay, so you should know if the actual how many people are facing this that problem, so that you can talk with them. Okay, so where they are, the locations of them, and how often problems occurs. Okay, so ask AI industries affected with that. Okay, countries, regions, frequency of problems. Okay, AI gives direction, not exact numbers, but it will give you direction. Okay, so step 4 is competitor research using AI. So the actual solutions are available in the market. What are they, how they are helping, and what is happening? What to analyze? Existing solutions, pricing models, strength and weaknesses of those solutions, of those your competitors. Ask AI, list out tools solving this problem and their gaps. So AI will list out all the competitors, and what they are doing actually. Okay, so then manually verify websites, reviews, and pricing pages. So you can compare you and your competitor. Okay, so AI finds patterns, you verify reality. Step 5 is analyze user reviews with AI. This is powerful. Okay, so use app reviews, Reddit posts, Twitter complaints, G2 Captra reviews. Okay, so everything, AI will use everything, and then it will analyze user reviews, and then analyze what are the problems they are actually facing, and how frequently they are facing everything. So ask AI to summarize complaints, identify repeated issues, extract feature gaps. Exactly. So this reveals the real pain. Now step 6 is validate willingness to pay. Now the key question is, who will people pay and who will pay? Okay, so ask AI how similar tools price, your price, okay, your price and competitor price. You have to compare them actually. So your competitors, how your competitors are pricing. So what users complains about pricing, what features justify payment. So the actual features which gives you the payment, you have to watch them and you have to work accordingly. So remember, pain without payment is a weak startup. So you have to work on financial model as well. Okay, so identify your differentiation. So what different you are providing and what different are you doing? Okay, so what is missing in the market, what can be simpler, what can be faster, and what can be cheaper. So your startup exists in the gap. Definitely. Now, steps 8 is create a simple market research summary. Now, you are doing all these things. Now, you have to summarize everything, your target user, core problem, existing solutions, gaps, and pricing expectation. One page clarity is enough. Now, common mistakes, trusting AI is blindly. You don't have to trust AI blindly. You have to talk to the real customers, your consumers. You have to go to the market. You have to see the solutions, how things are working. You have to watch everything. Then you have to trust AI. AI can help you in definitely in critical thinking, in checking how to do the things, but not on ground things. Now, no real user conversations. You have to talk with the real users. Overestimating the market, sometimes it overestimates, sometimes it underestimates, but you when you get the rough idea, you have to verify that also. So now, skipping validations. Yes, AI cannot give actual validation, but you have to get the validation from the actual market. Okay, now AI tool, not proof. Your AI is a tool, not proof. So best example is use this order: human thinking, AI assistant, and real user validation. So first user thinking, human thinking, then AI assistant, then user validation. Okay, so don't reverse this. Now, realistic timeline: 1 to 2 days initial research. You have to do the initial research, basic research from the starting. Then 1 week for clarity. You have to keep the clarity. You have to write your problem statements, your solution workflow, if you are going to follow, and how you are going to solve that, what are your target market, what are your target audience, and everything you have to write clearly, everything. Okay, so now, then 2 to 4 week give for the validation. Okay, now, after validation, you have to go to final row. So AI reduces time, not effort. Okay, so now the final truth is, AI does not find startup ideas, it sharpens your thinking, highlights patterns, speeds research. Okay, so it can help you in a lot of things, but not everything. So you have to know that. Now, founders still decide everything. Okay, so one line takeaway is, use AI to think faster, not to think for you. So this is in depth.